Arctic Inclusive Education Study Course will be organized again next spring, and it's part of the Arctic 5 collaboration of University of Lapland, University of Oulu, Luleå University of Technology, Umeå University, and the Arctic University of Norway. The course is taught by the teachers from these 5 universities, and it's available for the students in the Arctic 5 universities.
My part of the course was structured around the Including the North book, this one here, because we decided to invite the various authors of the different chapters to come and appear as guest lecturers and teachers and seminar leaders on the course. And that way we were able to draw an incredible resource of experts in the field of inclusion in the far north.
The teachers were very friendly and their knowledge to the relevant subject was very commendable. I mean, we learned a lot.
But I think the most rewarding part was bringing together such a mix of students. We had different nationalities from all over the world. That mix provided quite a variety of different points of view and different opinions and sounding boards, especially when discussions got underway.
The most interesting part was to learn in depth the concept of inclusive education within the context of Arctic. I would recommend this course to anyone who is interested in Arctic education. After the first module, I recommended to a few friends and they really liked it.
In Module 2, the best thing was the entity that was created in collaboration with the teachers. The course included workshops in which the students were able to analyze their own values and compare them to the values behind inclusive education. And there were philosophical discussions, introduction to the principles of inclusive pedagogy, and so on. All in all, the Module 2 was built in a way that enhanced the interaction and communication during the teaching sessions. In the final seminar, the atmosphere was positive, constructive, and the discussions were vivid.
In this course, I learned the inclusive education is not only for the special education, but also can apply to basic education. The teachers in this course were willing to share their own understanding and knowledge with open-minded attitudes, and they gave us lots of time to do the group discussion.
The focus is on the Arctic characteristics, such as long distances between small communities and the ways how to organize supportive services to students and their families.
I definitely recommended this course to the students who study education to understand the inclusive education from different perspectives and the Sami people from the big picture.
We are teaching about Sami issues in English, so it's available to many students. We were educating both Sami students and non-Indigenous students, so it was really inspiring for me. The best thing in this collaboration was to learn new things. I was learning from my colleagues new perspectives and new themes considering Sami education.
The course was a successful online course, and the tools were used in a meaningful way and were visually beautiful and motivating for me. I enjoyed and learned a lot about the discussions and presentations we did together with other highly motivated students.
In this study model, we are seeing Sami educational issues from different kind of perspectives and from multidisciplinary perspectives, and also that we are including Sami people and Indigenous people, we are including them from their own terms.
The teachers in this course were extremely professional, knowledgeable and inspiring. Their multidisciplinary approaches were super interesting and I learned a lot from them.
We had students from all over the world. It was interesting to hear their stories about other Indigenous peoples and their language and educational and identity issues, so that was also fantastic for me.
The collaboration between the 5 universities from the Arctic was a great idea, and I think it did justice with the course.
These 3 modules provided me comprehensive learning materials and experiences to have a wider and a holistic perspective to understand inclusive education of the North.
I think that this course should be a compulsory part of all student teachers' curriculum, since children should know the basics about Sami people. It's part of Sapmi history and these 4 countries' history where we live.
Visit our website for more information and instructions for registration.